Football and chili, they just go together. There's something about the excitement of game day and the warmth of a hearty bowl of chili that makes the perfect combination. And at Purdue, Boilermaker Tailgate Chili is the real star. It's not just a meal, it's a tradition that brings everyone together. This chili is a game day tradition. Fans love it. Whether you're a student, alumni, or just a fan, everyone looks forward to a steaming bowl of this delicious chili. It's hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a chilly day. The rich, savory taste warms you up from the inside out, making it the ideal comfort food for those brisk fall afternoons. What makes it Boilermaker special? It's the unique blend of spices and ingredients that give it that distinctive flavor. It's all about the Purdue pride. Every bite is a celebration of our school spirit and community. This recipe has been passed down through generations of fans. Each family adds their own twist, making it a cherished part of their game day experience. It's the taste of victory. Let's get cooking. Gather your ingredients, fire up the stove, and join us in making this beloved Boilermaker Tailgate Chili. It's more than just food, it's a tradition that brings us all together. Every great chili starts with great ingredients. The foundation of any delicious dish is the quality and freshness of what you put into it. For this recipe, you'll need a variety of ingredients that will come together to create a symphony of flavors. First, we have ground beef, the heart of our chili. This will provide the rich, meaty base that makes chili so hearty and satisfying. Onions and garlic. These aromatic vegetables are essential for flavor. They add a depth and complexity that is irreplaceable. Canned, diced tomatoes, the base of our sauce. These tomatoes will break down and meld with the other ingredients, creating a rich and tangy sauce. Tomato paste, for a richer flavor. This concentrated tomato goodness will intensify the flavor of our chili, making it even more delicious. Kidney beans and pinto beans, for that chili texture. These beans add a wonderful texture and heartiness to the dish, making it more filling and satisfying. Chili powder, cumin, and paprika, our secret spices. These spices will give our chili its signature flavor with a perfect balance of heat and smokiness. Don't forget the salt and pepper. These basic seasonings are crucial for bringing out the flavors of all the other ingredients. Now we're ready to build our championship chili. With all these wonderful ingredients, we're set to create a dish that will warm hearts and satisfy taste buds. Let's get cooking. First things first, brown that ground beef in a large pot. Make sure your pot is big enough to hold all the ingredients later on. Use medium-high heat to get a nice, even browning on the meat. This step is crucial for building flavor. Make sure it's nice and crumbly. Use a wooden spoon or spatula to break apart the meat as it cooks. This helps it cook evenly and ensures that every bite of your dish will have that delicious, savory beef flavor. Once it's browned, drain off any extra grease. You can use a spoon to carefully remove the grease or tilt the pot and use a paper towel to soak it up. Removing the grease will make your dish less oily and more enjoyable. Now toss in your chopped onions and garlic. These aromatics will add a wonderful depth of flavor to your dish. Make sure the onions are finely chopped and the garlic is minced for the best results. Cook them until they're soft and smell amazing. This usually takes about 5-7 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent them from burning and to ensure they cook evenly. Next, add your canned tomatoes, tomato paste, and all those wonderful spices. The tomatoes will add a rich, tangy base to your dish, while the tomato paste will thicken it up. Don't forget to add your favorite spices to enhance the flavor even more. Give it a good stir. Finally, add your beans. Whether you prefer kidney beans, black beans, or a mix of both, they will add a hearty texture and extra protein to your chili. Now, bring the chili to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Letting it simmer allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Simmer for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. The longer it simmers, the better it will taste. Enjoy your delicious homemade chili. Flavor fusion, the simmer down. Simmering is where the magic happens. Let that chili simmer for at least an hour. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors blend together. Keep an eye on it and give it a stir every now and then. You can add a little water if it gets too thick. Tailgate feast, serving up Boilermaker chili. It's time to eat. Ladle that steaming hot chili into bowls. Now for the fun part, the toppings. Shredded cheddar cheese is a must. Chopped onions add a nice crunch, and for a little heat, try some sliced jalapeños. Serve your Boilermaker tailgate chili with cornbread or crackers. Boiler up, game day ready. There you have it. Boilermaker Tailgate Chili, a recipe that's sure to score big at your next tailgate party. It's a taste of Purdue tradition that everyone will love. So gather your friends, put on your favorite Boilermaker gear, and get ready to cheer on your team with a big bowl of chili. Boiler up!